shopping for a sedan that has leather heated seats, sunroof, and all those amazing safety options, then you're gonna love this. Hey guys, it's Sonia here at Woody's Automotive Group, the highest rated dealership in Middle America, and Dealer Rater's Dealer of the Year for the last 3 years in a row, and you can learn why at over 10,000reviews.com. So today I'm super excited to show you this like new one owner 2016 Buick Regal Premium II. Comes in this really cool black onyx exterior. You've got that blacked out grille with your Buick badging right up front, as well as those HID headlamps with fog lamps right below that. Amazing 2.0 liter inline 4 engine under the hood, so you're going to get great fuel efficiency. Those wheels are 18-inch chromed alloy wheels. And then as you come over to the side, your mirror is body colored. You have your lane change indicator, power heated, and you also have blind spot monitoring and cross path detection. So it's going to notify you if anyone's in your blind spot. You also have keyless entry into the cabin. All right, so as you enter the cabin, you'll notice it's got that Bose Sound System. So you're going to get premium quality sound throughout the cabin. And just check out these amazing ebony leather heated captain seats. They're powered on both sides. And you also have memory settings on the driver's side. And then as you head over to your leather heated steering wheel, you have your cruise control settings right here, as well as that adaptive cruise control, and that's going to manage your cruise control for you. It's such a great feature to have when you're in traffic and two-lane conditions. It basically takes over for you, so all you have to do is steer. It even brakes for you. You also have your voice command here, as well as your cluster controls and your audio controls right here. Then as we head over to your media center, let's just check this out really quick. You've got your lane departure warning here. You can turn that on and off. Your traction control and your sensing system. And then as we head down to your media center, you do have your audio control, so you can subscribe to satellite if you choose to. You also have hands-free voice communication with this vehicle, so you can make and receive phone calls through your media center. And there's your projection manager, so you can mirror your iOS or your Android device. You also have navigation, so you can enter an address and it's going to give you turn-by-turn directions no matter where you are in the continental US. And then you have all kinds of other settings right here and here to really personalize your driving experience. And then you also have a backup camera when the vehicle's turned on and in reverse. As you can see, you have those assist lines to guide you safely and securely when you're backing up. As we head down, you do have that dual zone climate control. There's your CD input, and you also have a little area down there with your DC adapter. This is a 6-speed automatic transmission. There's your parking brake and cup holders, as well as your center console with your media hub that houses your USB auxiliary and another DC adapter. As we look up, you have OnStar, you have HomeLink, as well as the controls for your sunroof. And who doesn't love all that fresh air and sunlight? So let's check out the back seat. All right, so now we're in the back seat of this Buick Regal. You can see 3 passengers back here, but if you just have 2, you guys can share the center console with cup holders. And you also have that 120 volt right there. And you can also fold these seats flat to access your trunk area. As we head to the rear of this vehicle, you'll notice it's got those really cool LED tail lamps, as well as your Buick Regal badging and your dual exhausts, as well as your rear sensing system and your power trunk with remote start. Ooh, that just pops right up. You've got floor mats back here, got a nice area down here for your spare tire. Lots of room back here. So if you're in the market for a sedan that's sporty and nice and got the leather heated seats and the remote start and those amazing safety features, check this one out on our website at WowWoodys.com, or just come visit us on our 15-acre mega lot where we have over 1,000 vehicles. I'm Sonia, until next time.
Where are you guys from? From the Kansas City area, Shawnee.
Montrose, Colorado.
Claremore, Oklahoma.
Baton Rouge, Louisiana.
Parkville, Missouri.
I'm from Southern California.
Absolutely, yes.
No question about it.
Already done it.
Sure, yeah.
Yeah, I would say for sure.
Yeah, no.
Of course I would. For anyone. I would definitely tell you this is a great experience for anyone to have. If you're shopping for a vehicle, any kind of vehicle, WowWoodys is the place to be.
Of course.
Okay, well thank you for taking the time.
Yeah, you're welcome.